test in engineering in pharmaceutical science with 96%. NIPER entrance exam for Master of Pharmacy, All India 28th rank. MS Pharma Biotechnology NIPER SAS Mohali, All Indian rank Air 1 NIPER JEE PhD 2010 conducted by NIPER. PhD NIPER SAS Nagar Mohali. Project title 3-hydroxy 3-methyl glutaryl coenzyme A reductase from Leishmania Donavani, a potential anti-Leishmanian drug, target of steroid biosynthetic pathway. Postdoctoral fellow at National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad. Postdoctoral fellow at CSIR CCMB 2017 and current research scientist DBT fellow at CSIR CCMB, Hyderabad. And the professional experiences are DST SERB Young Scientist Infectious Diseases Laboratory, the 3 years of experiences as DBT fellows at R&D Infectious Diseases in Center for Cellular and Microbiology, Hyderabad, India. 1 year worked as postdoctoral fellow and R&D Infectious Diseases in Center for Cellular and Microbiology, Hyderabad. Research association with National Institutions of Nutrition, Hyderabad. He worked as the coordinator for MBBS students in skill development program organized by Telangana state government, and the research achievements are successfully published 9 international publications about leishmaniasis treatment and drug discovery, 2 patents filed on anti-leishmanial compounds, H- HMGR gene sequence in submitting in GeneBank, delivered various guest lecture in national and international symposium. And get over to you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Nice introduction. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you so much. Nice introduction. I'm thankful to you. I think Swati, right? Yeah. And before start, I going to start the meeting. I'm very sorry to you all. I keep waiting you all for almost 1 hour, and because some unavoidable reasons, so I could not able to start on time. I'm very sorry for that. I hope you all understand. Yeah, good. A nice introduction and today's session, my story and inventor's journey. So, and thank you for inviting me, all the college management and principal, faculty members, and special thanks to Uday. Is my junior in Naipur Mohali. Yeah. So yeah, we'll another. I think 1 hour we'll talk about 1.5 hours we'll talk about some introduction, and another 2 hours we'll talk about invention. Is it okay for you all? Not at all, not at all. Okay, already I waited you for 1 hour. No, just I'll finish in another 30 to 40 minutes, not more than that. Yeah. So yeah, I have done my diploma, bachelor's, master's, PhD, postdoc in pharmacy. Right. So almost all the degrees in pharmacy in the world, whatever the degrees are available. So what my intention is to motivate the students belongs to pharma profession. So nowadays the situation is very worst in in India especially. Okay, if someone is telling I am from pharma or B Farm or M Farm whatever, so people are okay, nothing they have achieved in their entrance exams and in their career, and they came to pharmacy. Okay, like that their behavior and their importance is like that in the current scenario in the market. Okay, pharmaceutical industry especially. But I wanted to tell you there are so many opportunities once you have your talent, subject, especially concepts. Okay, so not much focus on the grades, not much focus on the marks, but instead of that you should have concepts, and especially you must have uh, qualifications. Qualification is nothing but and mainly competitive exams like GPAT and whatever the NIPER, and you must have good project in your M-Farm. That is very important. Not only in M-Farm, in B-Farm also, right? So people are nowadays pharma industry looking towards students or employees. They need the people, those who have communication skills and technical skills, that's enough to get a job. Okay, not much depending upon the grades. Okay, you must have skills, you must have concept on the subject, right? What is happening in India, especially in Telangana, there are so many colleges compared to other states. I'll tell you one example. uh, in Telangana and AP, we have almost 250 to 300 colleges, pharmacy colleges, and I think it has increased from past 3 to 4 years. But if you go to other states like Gujarat and other states, Maharashtra, if you take an example of Gujarat, it's almost 25 to 30 colleges throughout the state, only 30 colleges, right? But here in this case, 2 states, zero added behind 30. Okay, 300. So my intention is not to increase the number of colleges, but if the colleges number is increased, you must increase the facilities, right? So like Viper, you have very good facilities. I have been to your college, I think 2 years back, right? You have good facilities and you have good faculty and everything. But if you see other colleges, almost 60 to 70% of the colleges 60 to 70% of the colleges, they do not have facilities. Okay, they do not have proper classroom even, because I personally visit many colleges, right? So what my intention is, the college management or government must regularize the thing, and then they should improve the quality of the student. Okay, so coming to my story, so as I have completed my intermediate from Telugu medium background. Okay, so when I joined in diploma in pharmacy, that is Sri Venkateshwara College of Pharmacy in High Tech City. Okay, so there I have joined in diploma in pharmacy. So as a Telugu medium student, throughout the education, I faced a lot of problems in diploma in pharmacy, as that SVCP Sri Venkateshwara College at that time, almost 20 years back. Okay, in 2002, I'm telling about. Okay, so everybody speaking English, right? And I do not know even single word. But I entered into the classroom. Almost 60 members are there, and at that time, yeah, at that time, so uh, and fine arts, architecture in the same building. Okay, so I was literally depressed because as a Telugu medium background and entering into the new college, which is very high five and all those things. Okay, then I started to understand the classes, nothing, zero. Okay, because I do not know English, right? So nothing is coming out, and I'm traveling from. Yeah, so Uday, am I audible?
You are audible, Anna. Please switch on your video on.
Yeah, it is on only. I can see you.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, you can continue. It may resume
Yeah,
later. Yeah, we can see you now.
yeah, fine. So, so at that time, at that time, I was depressed and I am unable to get anything from the lectures and the college. So, and I'm traveling from Uppal. It's almost 2 hours from High Tech City, from Uppal to High Tech City. And when I enter into the college, almost first hour is closed, almost done. So in that college, in that classroom, if someone want to know whether 100% is there or not in the classroom, just they should see me. That's it. If I am there, 100%. And if I'm not there, yeah, nobody's there. So that's how that is my situation. But So because of all these problems, I failed in 4 subjects. That is anatomy and physiology, human anatomy and physiology, pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. And that one more subject is there, that is DSBM, drugstore and business management. So I failed in 4 subjects. I'm a topper of my college up to intermediate, but when I entered into diploma in pharmacy, I failed in 4 subjects. Then I literally depressed. See, I hope every uh, if people are
You
there
are
from other
audible.
states. Uday?
Audible. You are audible.
Yeah. So uh, then I started quitting the education. Okay, because 4 subjects, a person who was always top and they failed in 4 subjects, and then no, we will not suitable for this kind of education. Then I thought I will quit the education. But what I did, no, we are topper. We came from village, and if we go back to village with empty hands, then it's a very sad thing. So what I did, I went to my friend. Hey, please tell me. Please try to teach me English first. Okay, then I'll try to clear the exams, whatever the 4 exams are there. And that's how I learned language and English language. And then while he's teaching, while he's explaining in Telugu, after reading one paragraph, I'm telling, "Arey, this I know because this concept I know. I know this." Like that, I'm telling to him, "Arey, the only problem is communication." That's how the things went very bad in the starting of my education. And one important moment I can tell you. So after joining in that diploma in pharmacy, maybe 2 weeks later, I'm sitting at back bench. So one day one student came, my friend only. His name is Praveen, and he said, "Hi, dude," to someone. Okay, "Hi, dude." I was shocked. Then I'm thinking about hi. I know. Okay, but what about this dude? I'm literally thinking on it because I do not know that, and I cannot ask someone because it's a simple thing. So it's just he said, hi, dude." I'm just inhibiting. So there is so much of inferior complex in me. Okay, and I'm not able to dare to ask others. Okay, then one day is gone and second day is gone. I'm thinking, and this time technology is there. If you want something, you just Google it and no need to type even. Just you put on voice. Hi Google, just show me the map from High Tech City to Uppal. That will show. Okay, you have everything. You have access to a world in your hand. Okay, but at that time, no mobile phones, and I cannot go to even internet also, right? And then the third day, I'm waiting. What is this? What is this dude? And suddenly in the classroom, I was not able to. That is killing my mind. So I asked one of my friend. I did, and I asked him, "Hey, please tell me." Some on that day he told, "Hi, dude. I know hi, but I do not know the dude." Then he explained, "Hey, nothing. It's like a friend like that." He said, "Arey, yaar, literally, I am worried about almost 3 days." See, that is my situation. Okay. So then, but once I started learning language. So why I'm telling all these things, you may face some different problems, but you should not look at the problem. You always look at the solution, right? So when I started learning the language and all those things, then at the end of the second year, almost out of 65 members, we wrote ESET exam. From diploma to B Farm, you need to write ESET. Okay, that for diploma students. Then we wrote ESET entrance exam. So among 65 members, 7 members qualified ESET exam. In that 7 members, I am the topper of that college. Being a failed
Clap.
student, in first year 4 subjects, but at the end of the second year, those who wrote the ESET entrance, then I am the first of that college. Okay, so why I am telling all these things, when you have education in your hand, nothing can stand in front of you. Okay, your college may be very big, or your friend may be very rich, or someone having different things, or more than you. But if you have education, Yes, it can take you more than that. So that's what my intention. So after clearing that ESET entrance, then I got rank. I got seat in Vagdevi College of Pharmacy, right? So there I went to that college, and then I gave my counseling admission letter. Then one of the clerks said, you need to submit the photographs, 6 photographs. I took only 3 photographs, but he said 6 photographs you have to submit. Then I said, okay, I do not have that. Yeah, I do not have that. Then I came back. I went to that college on Wednesday, and he said, bring me photographs. I came back on Monday. He said, come on Monday. But what they did, when I went back to my village on train, then Thursday, Friday, they gave this Inadu paper advertisement. So and so students need to report the college. And Saturday, they admitted someone. When I came Monday to that college, that clerk was telling, already your seat got filled. There is no seat for you. Sir, I came on Wednesday. I told you told me to bring the photographs. I brought photographs. Please take me. No, your seat is filled already. Because at that time, Bachelor of Pharmacy seat is my seat. I am telling about my story. They sold out for 12 lakhs for NRI seat, management seat. So that much value is there for B Pharma. Okay, and they sold for 12 lakhs, and they are telling me to, you do not have seat, already your seat filled because you are not came in on time. Then nothing to do because I do not know much, and from my village I am the only person to doing pharmacy first time. Then I came back to Hyderabad and then started searching for job. I worked for as a pharmacist for NIMS, Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, for 1 year. That is night duty. Right. Then I started earning some money because I have to join in Bachelor of Pharmacy. Then again I started preparing ESET because that is the only thing I have, because there is no back support, and I cannot go back. I have to move front only. Then I started working as a pharmacist in NIMS, then simultaneously reading for ESET. Then again I cleared the ESET, and then I got the seat. There are so many colleges, but I wantedly took this Vagdevi College VCOP. I have to join this because that is one of the top college after St. Peter's. Then I took that college. I went to, this time I have not given any chance to any person. I directly moved to a principal room. Sir, this is my admission letter. Please take me at least this year. Then the principal literally what he agreed. Please come, and he introduced to all faculty members. The student came last year, but uh, again again he got seat in our college. Like that, I have joined in Bachelor of Pharmacy. So as a person who wasted 1 year because of some problem, some little problem, right? Then I started reading from third year onwards for GATE. Okay, one of luckily our friends, our benchmates like Vijendra Chari, Drug Inspector, CDSCO, and Prashant, postdoc in Canada. So we are 3 classmates from NIPER, and then from BPharm also. Luckily, all 3 members got 1 year gap. Okay, then our target is to crack the gate. From third year onwards, we started reading, and in college, in the classroom. So we 6 members are other side, and other almost 55 members are other side, because dips, and that there is so much gap between the diploma in pharmacy students and regular students. So in that way, again we are discriminated in the classroom also. Then our goal is to read, and so many comments, so many people are criticized, array these that because whenever the gap is there in the class, whenever the gap is there between the periods, we used to go to library. Okay, and then our friends used to come library for same, and but they used to come for newspaper reading, but we used to read. And I remember still the situation and the scene. So when they entered to the library, so we are sitting just opposite to that. And while they going inside to take the newspaper, a gate students, are gate students, are gate. We are not attempted gate, just we started preparing, and they used to comment like anything. Are gate, a gate. We have just literally depressed. Are we are just reading. Okay. At that time, ragging was so much. This time, there is no ragging and all those things. The seniors and all, everybody, they used to disturb like anything. Okay. But later that was helped us. So in that way, our motto is to clear the gate. But at the end of the B Pharma, so we cleared gate with 96%. All our friends cleared gate 96%. And first students to join in NIPER from Kakatiya University as a large number. Okay, in NIPER Mohali especially. Then the main thing is after B Pharma, you have to choose correct branch and correct institution to improve your career. That is very, very important, because because from Masters of Pharmacy, your career will start from your project work, especially whatever the project work you are doing, that takes you to different places. If you have uh, experience in that particular area where industry is looking, then you will get a chance. You will be having a more chance to get, and the other, then you'll not get. Okay, in that way MPharm project will impact your career. So in that way we joined in NIPER. Okay, NIPER entrance all India 28 rank, right? We do not know even syllabus of NIPER, but we read for gate extensively, and that almost per day 18 hours for last 2 months for gate. So if because of that preparation, we have cleared Manipal, we have cleared NIPER, and we have cleared BITS. All the entrances are cleared, but I choose to join in NIPER Mohali. Then when I joined in NIPER Mohali,
Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Sorry to disturb you, sir.
Yeah,
Actually, our principal sir is online. Sir wants to just address to one moment. That's
Yeah. Please.
Sir.
Sir, very good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, it was wonderful. I was hearing your lecture, and you were sharing your lighter moments, which has transformed you to this stage. And I
Yes.
think I congratulate you for being in this position despite having lots of issues, which everyone has, right? But however, they feel that their issue is only big. So we thank you for your wonderful time, sir, spending, and I will be very happy to meet you shortly at your place. And I thank Uday for introducing you to our campus. And once this pandemic is over, I want you to visit our campus and ensure that we'll collaborate and do something beyond.
Sure,
So thank you so much, sir. Please continue. Sorry for the disturbance.
No problem. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can continue.
Yeah. So where was I? Where we start? Can anyone from audience?
You have entered NIPER now.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah.
NIPER.
Yeah, NIPER Mohali. So I entered in NIPER Mohali. There again, lot of problems, language problem here. Okay. Somehow I learned English in Hyderabad, but when I went to NIPER Mohali, Punjab, again Hindi, right? So I think Uday knows, right? There people, all people, even they not talk Hindi, they will talk Punjabi, right? So as a Hyderabadi, I should have known, but unfortunately, I do not know Hindi at that time. Again, I started learning Hindi. One of my friend was there. He used to, "Kahan ja rahe hai?" So then I have to write, "Where are you going?" Then I used to talk with my friends. So in the department, almost 10 seats were there in my department, and out of 10, 6 members from Gujarati, and 3 members from Maharashtra, and 1 from Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So again, there South North problem. It's a very much you cannot, you will not expect. There is a so much of south north. If you are if you are from south, then they'll see differently. Okay, because Hindi nahi aata hai, inko kuch nahi aata hai, aise pura they will make you down. Okay, so yeah, I started learning Hindi and somehow survived for almost 6 months. Then again, one problem came. What is that? So total out of 10, 6 members from Gujarat. So they are speaking Gujarati. All classroom totally Gujarati. The other three Marathi. Somehow I learned Hindi, but I'm unable to manage that language in classroom because they are speaking Gujarati and Marathi. How to communicate? Okay, so I started learning Gujarati. Again, I started learning Marathi, right? So almost by in first year, first semester and second semester, up to second semester, I have not concentrated on the subject, but I have concentrated on the languages because to survive in the classroom. Okay, and I learned Gujarati and Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, English. So this helped me to improve in communication, but that impacted my CGPA, right? So I got CGPA almost 6.75, means border. Uday, I think you know that, right? So it's a border
Yes.
CGPA. If you get below 6.5, you will not get stipend in NIPER. So you will not get stipend
Yes.
NIPER. So border marks I got 6.75. Then I started thinking, Arey, what to do? What is happening? Everywhere it is a problematic for us. One side language problem, other side region problem. We became South Indians, right? And then food problem. If you go to Punjab, you will not get rice to see. Forget about to eat. Okay, everywhere 3 times they'll eat paratha, roti, and in every dish, uh, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, aloo will be there, which I don't like. Okay, so morning, uh, so they used to give us rice. That rice is very big. So almost if you take 100 to 200 grains, that is enough one time. So in that way, it's very big and unable to digest also. And I think when the Uday came, we almost settled because so many South Indians and we started South Indian mess. So in that way, even though problems are coming, but you have to stick to your goal. That is very important. And my goal is to become doctor as you are. Okay, so you are all choose to become a doctor, but unfortunately came to pharmacy. Even me also did same thing. I tried for MBBS somehow because financial problems. Nobody supported for coaching and other things. Then we came to pharmacy. Almost 90% of the students coming to pharmacy profession, they are coming as a choice, not with interest, right? And me also same. But when I entered into the PG, like national institutions, there are so many opportunities and you will get so much of exposure. Then I started looking at doctorate. Anyhow, normal doctor is missed, right? MBBS doctor is missed. Okay, there is another opportunity to become a doctor. So then I started thinking about PhD. So then I have not went to placements. I have not went to any interviews for the placement. Dr. Reddy's Novartis evalues. I started reading again for the entrance exam, the All India PhD entrance exam. So then all out of 10 members, everybody got placed in third semester itself. So somebody placed in J&J, Johnson and Johnson, and then somebody placed Novartis. Me and one more person from Maharashtra, we have not placed. So only 2 members are left. Then almost we wrote NIPER entrance exam, all India entrance. Then I just went to exam and gave exam and just thinking for the future what to do next, because NIPER will send after June 31st. If you stay back in NIPER, you have to pay the money for rent for day at almost 100 rupees. So that is the situation. Then I am looking for the opportunities. I've not selected and no PhD seat as well. Then almost 1 week gone. I'm waiting for the result for NIPE All India entrance. One day I'm sleeping in my room. One of my friend Ramajanelu from AP Pharmacology department, he called me. Arey, NIPER results came, and please come and look the result. Okay, it is in the department list, and you are the first ranker. Then I told him, Arey, please, I am already frustrated. I didn't have a job and I didn't get a PhD, and don't make me more frustrated. Stop joking. And I told him, Arey, he is telling, Arey, literally you are the first ranker. Please come and see. I didn't went for almost 2 hours because I know he'll play with me. Then other persons called me, Arey, come and see the list. You are the topper. And okay, let's go. And then I went there. I have my name is on the top. Okay, so All India first rank in NIPER PhD entrance. Then there I felt very happy. Okay, once you have hard work with you, okay, so nature will support and everything will support. ఏమంటారు ఈ పంచభూతాలు అంటారు కదా, అవి కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాయి. If you have hard work, if you have confidence on you, yes, everyone will support. So in that way I got All India first rank and joined in PhD. Then there I started working research and all those things from the PhD. I'm the first student to my supervisor. I published 9 international publications, which is on infectious diseases, like it's a leishmaniasis. You know leishmaniasis, right? Leishmaniasis, which is called as Kala Azar, okay, black fever, leishmaniasis. So especially we see these cases in North India, that is Bihar. Most cases you see in Bihar, it's a slum state, so that's why it's more cases are there. And then Punjab, Rajasthan, Delhi, Punjab. So in these from these states, every year almost 50,000 people will die. 50,000 people will die because of this disease every year. I'm talking. So in that way, we choose that particular infectious disease and we started working on that. As I am first student to my supervisor, I have to establish the lab and everything, biotechnology lab. Then we started getting the strains from AIIMS Delhi. I've been to Delhi AIIMS, and there I worked for 1 to 2 months to get trained into handle the tissue culture, cell culture. Then I came back, started growing the strain Leishmania donovani, L. donovani. That is a causative agent, especially in the Indian scenario. There are 21 species to cause that particular disease, but in India, the L. donovani is the most abundant. So we started working on that, and we have chosen that HMG co-reductase drug target in Leishmania for the first time, have isolated the gene and sequenced the gene for the first time and submitted in the GenBank. HMGR, okay, which is already present in the human, but it is also present in the parasite. But there are so many differences. We choose as a drug target. So then I characterized, I cloned the gene and expressed the protein and characterized everything, secondary structure, primary structure with fluorescence spectroscopy, CD spectroscopy, and then all kind of characterization studies I have done. There I have screened almost 1,000 to 2,000 compounds for that to inhibit particular enzyme. Then I got almost 6 molecules which are very effective, and we filed a patent. 6 patents we have filed from the department, NIPER Mohali. And one of the molecule that is statins, okay, that is called drug repurposing. We have also tried to do drug repurposing. Drug repurposing is nothing but already drugs are present in the market for other diseases, treatment for other diseases, and the same drug you will use for this particular different disease. Okay, that is called drug repurposing. And we have tried antidepressant drugs and anti-hyperlipidemics like statins. Also we tried, and ketanserin, mianserin. There are so many drugs we tried to repurpose the drugs for the treatment of leishmaniasis. Then from that we got very good results with atorvastatin. Okay, so atorvastatin we use for anti-hyperlipidemic. Okay, but here it is inhibiting leishmanial HMGR HMG-CoA reductase enzyme in nanomolar range, nanomoles. Okay. In humans, for these cardiovascular diseases, we use in milligrams. Okay, but in this case, in leishmania case, it is inhibiting in very small amounts. So that is very good results. And we published a paper, especially on the atorvastatin. Just you type atorvastatin, leishmania, and Dinesh, you will get a nice paper which is elsewhere. It's international publications. The impact factor is almost 4.5. And we proposed this atorvastatin used as a drug for the treatment of leishmaniasis in very small amounts, not a big amount, because we'll get side effects because of the statins, myalgia, arthralgia, will get the side effects. But if you use very small amount, you will not get the side effects also. So in that way, we proposed and we published also. And then one of the molecule also being tech transferred to RMRI, Rajendra Memorial Research Institute in Bihar, that is established by ICMR, because we used to go to that Bihar and we used to isolate the, we used to collect the clinical isolates, and sometimes we used to collect the samples from the patients. Okay, so the symptoms of leishmania is disfiguring of facial regions. So you might have seen in pharmacology book, that is Rangendel, and you can see the Google images also. So what will happen? Cutaneous leishmaniasis, mucocutaneous leishmaniasis, and visceral leishmaniasis. In India, most cases we see is visceral leishmaniasis is nothing but it will affect the systemic organs like liver and the spleen and stomach. So those are infected. The stomach will be very big. Okay, then the spleen will be enlarged. Like that, symptoms are there. Mostly you can see in the slum areas. And mucocutaneous cutaneous is disfiguring of facial regions. Nose will be gone and all those things. So we have isolated many clinical isolates from the patients. Then I have screened with the different compounds, and we got molecule also. That is under clinical trial now. One of the molecule. That is a very happy moment to a person, those who filed a patent, once it is tech transferred and it is in the clinical trials. Okay, so that's how I have done in the PhD, 9 international publications and 6 patents. And from there I've joined in NIN, National Institute of Nutrition. There I worked on preclinical toxicology department, food and drug toxicology department. There I have worked for many companies, molecules like Dr. Reddy's and other MNCs, because they submit molecules to us and we'll see the we'll do the acute, chronic, and long-term studies, and we'll submit the data to the private companies. And one of the most important thing I have done in National Institute of Nutrition, I think you all know that Maggi was banned in 2016 for almost 1 year, Nestle. Okay, so for that we have collected these Maggi packets from all over the country, from different regions like South, North, East, West, and middle India. Then we measured the lead levels in our laboratory, National Institute of Nutrition, and then we got the results. There is very much high lead levels in that particular that is Maggi. Then we reported Government of India. We filed, we gave our reports to Parliament and we submitted. Because of one of our lab, and there are so many other labs also worked. Almost 6 to 7 labs worked on that particular project. And after submitting the report, they immediately banned the Maggi. That is belongs to Nestle. Because if you want to challenge with the big people, so big companies, big industries, you must have evidence, and you should have guts to prove. Okay, to save the people. Okay, then we banned the Maggi for almost 1 year. Because of our group effort, successfully banned that, and I hope so many people might not affected during that time. Okay, that is one of the good thing I wanted to share with you. And then after that I joined in CCMB. Then there I started working on malaria. Okay, so we are working for malaria to discover malaria vaccine, because from thousands of years we are hearing this particular disease. Okay, malaria, because if you go to the history also, you can 300 or 200 like that. And before BC also, the disease was there, malaria. But till now, we do not have a vaccine for that. And we are working on that. There are so many vaccines. People from abroad, like US and developed countries, they design the vaccines, but they are not working because malaria parasite have 15 different stages. Because if you want to design a vaccine, you have to target a protein. Like now, like you can see the example of COVID vaccine. So we brought vaccine within just 6 to 9 months. Okay, but generally it will take time to 5 years. Okay, to design a vaccine for bacteria and higher organisms. Because it is a virus, we are able to get the vaccine in very
Sorry
small
to,
time.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, tell me, Uday.
Actually, it is the time for the students to leave. Actually, buses will start.
Yeah, I'll wind up. So okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, I hope we'll meet next time. I'm very sorry I am unable to come on time, but next time I wanted to meet you all and we'll discuss on that. Okay, Uday.
Yes, and surely we want to see you on our campus and interact with students directly. Also, as our principals are also invited you personally.
I'm always ready. Thank you so much. Thank you, students and faculty members and all the management for inviting me to take the session. And special thanks to students for your patience. Okay. Yeah.
No, they
Uday.
are enjoying their clapping. I don't know whether you hear them. They clapped so many times.
They're looking at the watch because they'll miss the bus. No problem. I understand. Yeah.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you very much. Actually, you have engaged them. Actually, they were very much tireless waiting for you. But once
Yeah.
you are in the scene, it changed suddenly, and they are into your footsteps. They followed you, and like like always, you have inspired so many, and I think you have built some confidence in them. And you are the proof that there is nothing that you cannot achieve if you have a strong determination. So with this, I guess students they have enjoyed, Anna, and thank you very much for your valuable time. I know that how much busy you are. Although you have such a busy schedule, you have watched some time for us. We should really appreciate your efforts, Anna.
Yeah, you can see, you can take my mail ID and then you can write to us if you have any problem in the career and career choosing and all those things. Okay, so you can write, no problem.
Yeah, sure, Anna. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Uday.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you very much. We can sign off, Anna.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.